does my wireframe make sense? Can they traverse it? And what are they thinking while they do it? And you're watching them, and this beautiful thing happens, and it happens to me every time. You think you know what you've designed, and then the first time you put it down in front of them, the first customer, you're watching it, and this strange like out-of-body experience happens where you are them, and you start seeing it through their eyes, and you start seeing your mistakes, and they just go poof, and they hit you in the head, and you're like, oh my God, I'm so stupid. Or I can't believe I forgot that. Or, oh no, they're going to click the wrong, I know they're going to, no, yeah, they're going to do, yeah. And then they're going to fail in front of you. And it's beautiful because that's you forcing evolution on your design before it goes live to the world and catching all of the mistakes that you need to adjust. So I'm really curious if that happens to you. Let me know, like share it with the group. I want to know if you have the aha moment when they go through your designs, because it's so humbling and also just so powerful, because you realize that's the thing that you do. Like that's the thing that makes you worth the money, is that process of facing your flaws in front of a person and being humble about it, but not giving up.